Hi guys, greetings to you all and welcome to Authentic Cryptos. In this video, we'll be talking about this project that is going to be listed a couple minutes from now, which is Geeks airdrop that is going to be listed on Onus exchange. Okay, so for most of us on this space, this will be the first time that we'll be making use of the Onus exchange to trade cryptos. So stick around this video if you participated in this project called Geeks, as I will be walking you guys through what you should do and how to position yourself properly before this listing. Okay, so this particular strategy will also work for you during the Onus listing. If you participated in Onus as well, this is the strategy that you will use and position yourself before hitting the market. Immediately it gets listed. So if you tap on Geeks like this, you will see the countdown. We have less than 30 minutes to go before the Geeks tokens hit the market. Okay, so this is what you should do to position yourself properly. Make sure you are under home session, which is under asset wallet session. Then you come to this side that they wrote wallet. See this place that they wrote spot. You hit on the spot button, you scroll up. Okay, then you hit on this place that they wrote deposit. Then you see option here, assets. So you tap on it and locate Geeks. So you can see my Geeks is here already, so I have to click on it. Then you see what they wrote, from main wallet to spot wallet. So we have to move it from our main wallet to spot wallet so that we can be able to trade it immediately it goes live. So all you have to do is to hit on the maximum button to move everything. All right, so this is the total amount of chicks that I have. It's as simple as that. The next thing is to hit on confirm. You can see you have successfully deposited 25,975 jigs. Beautiful. So you just have to hit on confirm, and that is all. So your jigs now is already in your spot trading wallet. All right, once it gets listed, all you have to do is just to come to this session and hit sell. That is for those that will be selling off immediately, like I said. Okay, once it gets listed, you will see it in this market session. You come to this market session, then you can be able to hit spot as well. Then you search for jigs. Okay, you can see jigs here. You wait for it to come up. That time you will see they will pay jigs with VNDS or jigs USDT. Then you sell it to USDT immediately. Okay, so your jigs is already in your spot wallet. It's just like moving your assets from either funding to trading or spot wallet to other exchanges. So they are just the same thing, but the languages varies. Okay, so that's what you should do immediately right now so that you can be able to sell your jigs once it gets listed. Okay, so that is just that. Let's anticipate and wait for something good and something positive from Geeks airdrop. So see you guys.